This is a quick video to help you navigate through the professional learning page of Smith Intermediate. We have 4 different tracks of learning that are available. We have the collaborative track, which is professional learning for all teachers at Smith. We have the discovery track, which is for teachers new to Forney ISD. The innovative track, teachers defying the norm, and the refinement track for teachers wanting to enhance their practice. In order to navigate between each one of the tracks, you just simply need to click on either the description or the shark. We're going to go into the collaborative track. The collaborative track is pretty straightforward. That is where you're going to really just see the information just kind of laid out for you. And just scrolling down and scrolling through that particular site, you will be able to an opportunity to see the different resources that are available. At the bottom, you will have buttons also available that you can go to in order to get to different tracks. And again, you can go to the menu that is at the very top and be able to navigate to each one of the tracks as well. So the next track we're going to take a look at is the discovery track. Now, the discovery track is basically made up of 3 different components. You have a Padlet, which you can either look at here within the website, or you can pop it out into a different screen. And then you also have, if the Padlet is not appealing to the eye, you also have it in a Word document with each one of the links available for you there. And there's also the professional learning reflection form that you can just pop in and be able to add your information. So now we're going to take a look at the Padlet that is available for the discovery track. If I click this open in a new, that will basically open up the Padlet into another screen for us. And so when we're looking at the Padlet, we have 3 different learning tracks or 3 different learning topics. We have brain-based learning, we have Canvas, and we have Teach Like a Champion. And as you can see, everything that is Teach Like a Champion is in purple. Everything that is related to Canvas is in pink, and everything that is related to brain-based learning is in blue. As we scroll down this particular page, that is where you can see the different modules of the learning. So here we have brain-based 1.0, and over here we have Canvas 1.0. If we keep scrolling, we'll see Brain-Based 2.0 as well as Canvas 2.0. And again, remember there are 3 modules for both Brain-Based and Canvas. Scroll down a little bit more, we see Brain-Based 3.0 as well as Canvas 3.0. Scrolling over to the side here, now with Teach Like a Champion, there are no module lessons. It's just one big lesson that we will review throughout the year. So with Teach Like a Champion, I have some different resources that are available for you. And then I have several videos that basically explains the different strategies that are outlined in that particular book. So if we hop back over to the website, and we're going to this time use the drop down menu, and we're going to take a look at the innovative track. Now the innovative track is set up just a little bit different. Again, it has the 3 main parts in which I have my Padlet here, and then I also have the Word document as well as a reflection form. Now this time the Padlet is a little bit different, and that instead of having to scroll down the entire Padlet to be able to see all the information, now I can just scroll within each one of the subtopics. So if I want to see what they have for book study, all I have to do is just scroll, and I can just look at and focus on the book study. If I want to take a look at the options that are available for Google Education, I can just scroll down through there and take a look and see what's available for Google Education. The same with podcasts, the student portfolios, as well as information that is available for action research. Again, you can either utilize the drop-down menu that's at the top of the website, or we can scroll all the way down to the bottom in order to get to a different track. So the last track that we have on this professional learning website is the refinement track. Now the refinement track, we're going to actually pop out and take a look at this particular Padlet. So the refinement track is broken up into 3 different dimensions that come from T-Test. Dimension 1, which is planning, and it is in orange. Dimension 2, which is instruction, and it is represented in white. And Dimension 3, which is learning environments, and it is represented in green. Not only are they divided into the different dimensions, but they're also divided up into subtopics within the dimensions. So here, for instance, I have Dimension 3.1, Classroom Environment, Routines, and Procedures. And up under that particular topic, you see that I have 2 online courses that are available, 2 webinars that are available, and then also 2 YouTube videos that you can take a look as far as learning that is available for that particular topic. Scroll down a little bit further, and then we get into Dimension 3.2, Managing Student Behavior. I have an online course, I have webinars, I have videos, and then I also have, again, a couple of videos that I can just pop into and start watching as well. So again, that is pretty much it. That is the idea of the professional learning tool that we have here at Smith Intermediate. We are super excited to have the opportunity to learn and grow with you as we transition in the upcoming year. Thank you.